Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to apply for a job or a position that you have found on the Totaljobs application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should select a job that you are interested in. You can either search by the help of the search bar at the top or narrow down your search with these filters. So tap on the relevant job, and if you are interested in it, tap on the I am interested button. And here you can see the role you are applying for. Here you can check out your profile, and you can select whether you would like to apply with your CV or without it. So tap on the relevant one. If you apply with your CV, click on the upload CV button, and you will be required to select your CV from your files. So tap on the relevant one. As you can see, now it is being downloaded, and after that you will be able to upload it to the site, thereby uploading the CV. So here you can see that you need to add further details about yourself, such as your name, highest level of education should be selected, your current or most recent job title, your salary. Here you can select the annual salary. You can also select the daily, hourly, or none. Here you can put a check mark icon into the boxes in the profile preferences and application preferences section. And if you are ready with these details, tap on the continue application button, and then you will be able to apply for the position. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.